My name is Ted Rao, and this is a video about the meeting format in Sociocracy. One of the telltale signs of Sociocratic meetings are rounds. For example, when we have a discussion, we go one by one, and typically everybody speaks once before anybody speaks a second time. The idea is to create a situation where people are heard the first time and everybody's voice matters. Let's look at the template of a meeting. This is a standard format, which people use as is or modify. It starts with a check-in, which is a round where people just share how they're arriving at this meeting so we can arrive with each other. In the admin section, we make sure the circle is ready, like a checklist that a pilot has before they fly. We notice, for example, who is present and who isn't, how much time we have together, and who might have to leave early. Under minutes, we check our written records and whether they're all up to date. If anything happened between meetings that should be in our notes, we add it then. Next, we ask, are there any announcements unrelated to this meeting? Anything that people want to say? This could, for example, be a party invitation or something like that. And then we confirm the date or make a plan for our next meeting. The first step of the content block of the meeting is checking on the agenda. No matter whether somebody prepared an agenda or we compile it on the fly, the agenda has to be approved by consent, which means we make a plan of how we spend our time in a way so nobody has an objection. That's an important piece of making sure that we spend our time intentionally and in a manner that is aligned with our aim. Then we go through our agenda items. Those are all the topics that we need to clarify to do our work better and more smoothly. This might be sharing information that is good for everybody in the group to have, or an exploration where we generate ideas or feedback. Finally, some agenda items might be decisions that set the frame of how we operate in our particular part of the organization. What we're trying to accomplish for an agenda item, report, exploration, or decision, is typically part of the agenda that we approve at the beginning. That agenda can, of course, also be adjusted by consent if we want to make changes during the meeting. After all of this meeting's topics are complete, we surface topics to talk about at a future meeting that might help smoothen our work together even more. An important part of Sociocracy is that we always seek improvements, and that's why we do a closing round where we reflect on how content, process, and interpersonal dynamics in the meeting worked for us so they can be improved next time. The backlog, or parking lot, is like a circle to-do list of all the topics that need clarification. Whenever we notice something isn't going well, we add it to the backlog, and then we populate the agenda from the backlog, address those topics, and then go back to work. So in that cycle, we don't lose any topics, and that's our cycle of continuously improving our work. By the way, backlog items are only for things that need the circle. An action item is different. That's just a task that is assigned for somebody to do. On our website, you can find what we call the agenda template. To plan an agenda, all you need to do is fill in your agenda items, choose whether it's a report, exploration, or decision, adjust the timing, and write the notes directly in there.